listeners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Pooja Mende and you're warmly welcome on my channel. If you're new here, then let me tell you that I make videos about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, wellness and makeup. So warmly welcoming on my channel. And in today's video, let me gonna tell you firstly gonna share with you that a very happy winters to you all. Winters is one of my favorite weather I would say the weather seasons, and I do really like because into that I feel healthy, my skin feel more healthy, I eat nice, I feel nice overall about it. So yeah, and also please excuse the background, I'm not at my usual place and the lighting, so yeah, a little bit here and there gonna be in this video. But without further ado, let's just jump into the today's video that I'm gonna share about a product, a DIY product which we can very beautifully utilize in this winters. Specifically, what happens that in winters we take care of our skin, but we hardly get time to take care of our hairs, and specifically when they get frizzy and dry and dull. So I'm a huge fan of the organic products and I love how they work on the skin and everything they provide. So in today's video I am going to share and talk about one of the organic brand here and how you can utilize. So without further ado, let's just start into the video. So let me introduce to you the product which I've got from INDUS VALLEY Bio Organic Gems of Organic DIY Combo Beauty Kit. I personally is not very fan of the salons and salons procedures. To be honest, I do mostly whatever do it on yourself DIY things, and I really like it how it works because I think our Indian Ayurveda is so rich and so good for our skin and hairs that it works beautifully on us. So we should utilize that. So this is how the products look like, and it contains 6 combo packs, and we can use it in a multiple ways for hairs and face. And about this brand I tell you, it is 100% natural, and the kit itself is vegan certification approved, and also it is non-tested on animals, and also it is tested for non-allergy certifications. Means if anyone is having allergy from some kind of products, that you will also get to know they avoided that, and everything has mentioned on the packaging which ingredients are going, so you can avoid if you are allergic to some kind of ingredients. So ingredients are natural, grown without the use of any chemical, fertilizer and pesticides, so that is the best you can get out of it. And it contains 6 products ultimately, which ranges into the price range of 546. So it's a steal deal actually to get all the products one by one. I'm gonna show you what's there inside, actually what you're getting here. So let's just open this pack. So when you open it, so you receive this kind of packaging where you get all the products. So you also, they have provided the booklet also. So let's see what is there. The booklet, I mean to say, they are actually all the DIY recipes they have, and into that they have given all the 26 recipes of packs what you can use and in which way actually all it has been given. You can read and make the facial or hair packs accordingly and use it. Okay, so they have like antibacterial face pack and acne control face pack, hair strengthening, hair conditioning, revitalizing, stress reliever massage gel pack and serum pack, and it's all in one. And it's a very good thing that they have provided this chotu sa kit, which is so useful. This brand is also made in India. First of all, local के लिए vocal होना ज़रूरी है. So it's a Indian brand, and I think we should utilize max out of it because it is manufactured in Shimla itself. In Shimla they are manufacturing these products, and also the products are really good. Let me just show you one by one what they are having. So सबसे पहले I would favorite, my personal favorite is this bio organic extra virgin coconut oil. I always look for the good extra virgin oils, because these are the basic good oils and good ingredient what you need, the original organic ingredient which gonna work on your hair, skin and all over. So they have provided this around 50 ml ka bottle in a kit, which is sufficiently will do well for like long lengths of my hairs. You can use 2 spoon, that will be enough for your hairs and your scalp, so it gonna work beautifully. First is that, and we all know that coconut is having so much benefits, like you can use it for the hair massage, it will enhance the circulation, and if you have a super dry skin you can use it as a moisturizer also. If you're having dry skin, if you're a dry skin type or dry scalp person, then you can utilize this. Also there are lot many stuff givens where you can mix this ingredients and utilize for your hairs and face. So I have performed, I'm gonna show you how I utilize this. Let me just introduce the other stuff. Secondly, in this kit they have given this bio organic hibiscus powder, and this is also a very multi-purpose kind of product. This also you can use for your face and hair. Also you can make it use like they are saying that you can use it as a tea also, which will provides a good amount of antioxidants, and also it helps in dilute the stones in kidney, controls premature graying and strengthen the hairs, and controls dandruff and prevent hair loss. Face mask for cleaning and toning, thickening the eyebrows. So it is having multiple uses, you can utilize in multiple ways, and it's good that provided such a multi-purpose product in the DIY kit. Moving on, next pack. Next is another my one of the cult favorite, I would say, aloe vera gel, which we know that we use for so many things like hairs, acne, as a primer, as a hair mask and what not. You know, we use this purpose, you yourself know. So let me just show you. This is how it looks. It is literally a little bit green tone, and I have shown you how I utilize this, and it has a little bit of smell. If people are like allergic to perfume and smell, they can avoid this product if they don't suitable for that. Otherwise they are doing super well. I have utilized almost all, so you can see that I've utilized these products and how I have used it on my hair and skin. You're gonna see in this video. Also there is one shampoo they have provided alongside. This is daily gentle shampoo, 25 ml ka again. And the third is this bio organic 100% pure essential oil. It's a peppermint oil. So peppermint oil also have so many benefits, you know, for your hairs and your mood, and for your skin also you can utilize. And the last product is this hair ultima spa. This I tell you is among the kit. I really like all the products, but this product has such a good smell. Oh my god, it's a aroma therapy. I love you just smell it and you just feel like you are in a spa. It smells so beautiful, and it just, when you smell it, it just instantly lifts your mind and make you feel good. It is that I am sensitive person to smell. My sinuses are very sensitive, but I do really like how it smells and it makes my mood really good. So I really love this. This is a hair mask, and it is having very beautiful consistency. It doesn't fall, first of all. It is, I really love, and the amount of softness you want in a hair mask, that is that. Overall, all these products comes in this combo pack, and in a further video I'm going to show you how I utilize it for my skin and how I utilize it for my hairs.
So here I'm making a hair mask. For this I am gonna use 2 spoon of organic coconut oil and 2 spoon of aloe vera gel, also few drops of peppermint oil, and we're gonna mix properly. And now I'm gonna apply it on my hairs. do the partition and slowly step by step apply to your scalp and also the entire length of your hairs. For my hairs, these much ingredients were enough, so yeah, that could suffice you nicely. So when you apply this, keep it for 15-20 minutes or maximum 1 hour, and then wash it out. Till the time I made face pack also, so I am using this organic hibiscus powder, and I'm adding into that aloe vera gel, mixing, and then I'm gonna apply it on my face. And yeah, we'll just wait around it to get dry and then wash it off. So really, my skin after washing this hair mask, you can see it's just extracted out each and every dirt and gunk and made my skin super pure. After that, I washed my hairs and dried, and this is how my hairs look after hair wash. Even I applied the hair mask which has given, and I'm super happy.
And after that skin and hair ka part, this is how my hairs are looking now. These are extremely soft and shiny, and they are looking nourished and healthy. I would tell you, in this dry winters they have become such a bad, but thanks to this DIY kit, it really helped me. And trust me, this is one of the best organic products I have come across in such a good price range. To be honest, you get such combination pack only around 500 to 600 bucks. You can check out these products on their websites. I am mentioning the links in my description box so that you can get directly access, and you can also order for yourself. And do let me know when you order these products and how it works for me. Please share it in my comment section. I would really like to know. And also, if you really like this video, then hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that you should get updated with my upcoming such videos. And if you have any queries, do feel free to ask in the comment box. And also, bye bye, take care, see you in my next video. Bye.